Hello viewers, how to import 3D models into React.js project easily. Here I have a simple scene here. That is my CSS file, index CSS, height 100%, width 100%, and background a simple gradient color. I installed React 3 Drei and React 3 Fiverr. I have this GLTF file into public folder. That's 3D model. Now search in the Google. Now search in the Google GLB2 JSX file. That's the link you want to go. Now drag the GLB file here. From here we are going to copy the whole code, and in the editor we are going to create a new JSX file called model.jsx. You can change the name whatever you want. There is the JSX file name. Now in the fjxx we are going to first import the canvas, mesh, and the model JSX file. Because it is already exist in public folder, this is importing from here. Okay, now take a directional light, intensity 5, and ambient light intensity of 15. Here you can see the model appeared. Now from here you are going to do orbit controls, so you can move the models, rotate the models. That's how we are going to import 3D model into React.js project.